So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add your fractions. Fractions with the same denominators. Number one, we have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4. The denominators are 4. You bring down 4. You add your top numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. Our answer is 3 over 4. Number 2, we have 3 over 12 plus 2 over 12 plus 4 over 12. If you notice, our denominators are all 12. So you bring down 12, add your up numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Our answer is 9 over 12. Number 3, we have 5 over 15 plus 1 over 15 plus 6 over 15. Our denominator all are 15, so you bring yours down. You add the top numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Therefore, our answer is 12 over 15. Thank you for watching.